Oh, ang gulo ng buhok ko. Actually, gising na ako around 7 a.m. or 7:30, ganito ganyan. Pero guys, anong oras na? 9:21 na. Ganun na ba ako katamad? De joke lang.
Hello.
Good morning everyone. It's me again, AJ. Time check is, yun nga, as I said, 9:21 a.m. So, yeah, welcome to a day in my life. Pero I promise, hindi ako ganun kalit gumising. Maaga naman ako gumigising, mga 7. So for today's video, ipakita ko lang naman sa inyo kung ano usually mga ginagawa ko sa buhay pag walang work. Ganito, ganyan. And yeah, before I start my day, I'm just gonna show you how messy my room is at the moment. Tada! Ang gulo, like for real. Bago bumangon. So nung pinapanood ko at the moment, Nisa Nuggets. My God, Nisa Nuggets, I love your videos. Sana makita mo tong video na to. Char! So yeah, before I start my day talaga, nililinis muna ako ng kwarto kasi, ang gulo. Ganun na ba ako kadumi? The joke. And yeah, I'm just gonna start cleaning my room now. Kasi tanghali na. 9:24 na guys. And yeah, it's time for me to start cleaning my room.
Eventually.
Hey, ay santo lumiyo kasi kala toque en serio, pero no le sale. Ew. Finally, I'm done.
Moments later.
I'm finally done. It looks so gross. My face is a bit oily. I don't know. Also, yeah, today I'm gonna bake some keto pizza, because I'm on a diet. So, yun, bumili na rin ako ng ingredients para sa pizza. Actually, kahapon ako bumili. So, yeah, ito yung mga nabili ko so far. Cottage cheese, baking powder, almond flour. Bumili na nung dalawa kasi kung sakali may bala ka ulit magluto. Onion, tsaka garlic powder, tapos canned tomatoes. Meron pa naman akong canned tomatoes dun na like siguro 2 lata para kung sakali kulang. And ayun, tapos meron pa naman akong cheese. Oh my God, I think may kulang. Shoot, meron nga. Wala akong parmesan cheese. Diyos ko, lalaban to naman tayo. Pero no choice, I need parmesan cheese. So, I'll be right back.
Later.
So, yeah, I'm on my way to the bus stop. Time check is already 2:07. Shit, ang init. It's really hot. Ilang degrees na ba? Siguro 20 degrees na siguro. Wala akong data. Shit. Anyway, so I'm just gonna show you my fit for today. So, yeah, it's just a black shirt, black shorts, and some Crocs that I bought in the Philippines. And I have my ID with me because kasi yung bus card ko nandito. Yeah, tsaka bura na ako sa gamit. Oh my God, the studio is nearby. Miss ko nang sumayaw. Diyos ko. Guys, oh my God, I miss the studio so much. To my dance mates from Euphoria, I miss you all. Nakakamiss talaga, nakakamiss sumayaw. Pero balik ako once I graduate, okay?
One eternity later.
Guys, ayan na yung bus. Oh my God. Oh shit, kami na. O, balikan ko na lang kayo. Guys, ang awkward. First time ko mag-vlog sa harap ng maraming tao. Hiyang-hiya ako, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Finally, nakalabas naman ng bus. Kasi nakakahiyak yun. Ano yung itsura ko kanina? Parang tanga, like, ganito na lang ako. Parang also, yeah, balikan ko na lang kayo because my camera's almost out of battery. Kala ko na-charge ko yung camera ko pero ang tanga-tanga ko, hindi nakasaksak. So, yeah, balikan ko na lang kayo.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I just got home and I finally got may Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese pa talaga yung nakalimutan no? Para magluto ng pizza. Grabe, sobrang daming tao kanina. Like, hindi naman yung as in yung puno. Like, punong-puno pero traffic kanina. So, ayun. Sinarado ko na yung cortina dito sa kitchen kasi we need sunlight. Sunlight! Hindi, para hindi against the light. Tapos, inopen ko na lang yung ano nang tawag doon? Blinders ba yun tawag doon? Anyway, so yeah, it's time to bake. So I decided to bake like sa may freezer namin kasi puno yung mesa namin. So, my bad. Oh my God, ang taga ko, grabe. Naglagay na nga ng cottage cheese, tapos, my God, hindi pa na nakasaksak. Okay. Dadagan ko muna kasi I'll be right back.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So, yep, this is what it looks like at the moment. This is nice. You can put this in the microwave and set a timer for 20 minutes. Yeah. So, we're currently cooking the dough and it's time for me to cook the sauce. Hope I won't mess it up.
Twenty minutes later.
Wow. I'm just gonna cool it for 10 minutes. We'll be right back.
Much later.
Whew. So finally, medyo warm naman na yung dough. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Wow. Yeah, I think I put too much sauce. Okay, this is gonna be a failure. But hopefully at some point it will taste good. I try my best. And this is what it looks like. Ta-da! Yeah, my God. But I think, pero feeling ko nasobrahan ko yung sauce. Time to put the toppings. Yes. Oh my God. It's time to put the toppings. Yay! Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Starting now.
15 minutes later.
Yes! Finally! Finally, tapos na. Okay. Oh my god, I can't wait. Ah, oh my gosh! I'm kind of proud with my pizza, even though it's a little bit wet. Sana successful siya. This is what it looks like after. Yeah, sige na nga. Subukan na nga natin. Oh my god, kinakabahan ako. Oh my god, ayaw. Wait lang, mag-fork na nga lang tayo. Wee! Parang ewan tong pizza na to. Let's give it a try. Oh my god, kinakabahan ako. Not bad. Masarap siya. Kaso, feeling ko masyadong basa yung sauce. Kasi sobrang impatient ko. Wala, kasi gutom na ako eh. Eh di, the ending, hindi na basa yung sauce. But this one's good. This one's good. I think it did pretty well. And yeah, I guess that's all for today. Oh my god. Pagod na ako. Grabe, after siguro 2 hours na ako nag-bake. Grabe, ganun ba ako kabagal? I'm gonna end this video here. That is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, or leave a comment, whatever you want, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.